Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a technique that I use in Adobe Dimension to create a gold foiled look on a packaging design label. Once you've inserted your 3D object and you have your label that you want to apply a gold foiled look to, you can search within the starter assets library, and in this case I just looked for a brush and clicked on, with the object selected, clicked on slightly brushed copper in this instance. And over here in properties, material, you can scroll down. Maybe you need to decrease the intensity of the brush marks. So I've adjusted those quite a bit. Let's go with this for now. As for the label preparation, here in Photoshop, you're going to see that the letters and the accents that I want to be gold foil have been cut out from the artwork itself. So in Illustrator, I created a compound path and a mask, exported it as a transparent PNG so that there is no background behind those letters and shapes. So after you have your transparent PNG saved, you can drag and drop that file onto your label. In this case, it's a label. Scale and reposition it, holding down Shift to scale proportionately, or Option Shift to scale from the center. And after you've placed it, you'll notice here in Properties and Material that the graphic is placed above the gold material. And I have a few settings, so maybe I want to increase the roughness so it has more of a matte finish. You can adjust that. So essentially that is a gold foiled look. You can also change the hue of the foil if you need to. So as I scroll down on this particular copper one, you can shift the hue. You can see that subtle change. And you can also decrease the saturation. So I hope this technique helps with your project. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care.